Good evening, family. Just gonna be real quick here. Beloved brothers and sisters, you can, you can, you don't have to like the Raven. Y'all don't have to like the Ravens up there. The Ravens that are up there, because we got Ravens in every city. And they dropping location cookies. They dropping location donuts. They dropping location sandwiches. They dropping location weed. They dropping location clothes. They dropping location those. Beloved brothers and sisters, I ain't saying she done nothing, but you might want to protect the Raven. You might want to protect the Raven. I can't say why. Might want to protect the Raven. Right now. That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah, I know all that other stuff. I know what they said. I know what they say. And yeah, we know about location cookies. But I'm talking about cookies, period. If she's smart enough to fly high enough, then our dumb ass and drop locations. We need to respect our women. I greet and leave each and every last one of you with the greeting words of peace. Facebook is forever on me. Man, they own me. Y'all have no idea. I wish I could show y'all some stuff. I think I might. We say it in the Arabic language. I love y'all. Assalamu alaikum.